Are you currently renting and tired of throwing money away month after month? Or perhaps you're looking to downsize and enjoy a maintenance-free lifestyle without feeling cramped in a small townhome. Look no further than Layton Hall. Here, you can own a new, low-maintenance townhome near downtown Greenville with Swamp Rabbit Trail access. I'm Melissa with Ryan Homes, and I can't wait to show you around. At Layton Hall, you'll find the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and connectivity. These townhomes are designed with your lifestyle in mind, offering modern features and spacious layouts featuring 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, an open concept main living area, optional covered porch, and a 2-car garage. The community will also feature a dog park and a covered pavilion with a fireplace. Did I mention that you'll love the convenience of this location? Layton Hall is centrally located in Malden, offering close proximity to everyday conveniences such as Publix, Aldi, Trader Joe's, Target, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, and more, making your daily errands a breeze. You'll enjoy easy access to major highways like I-85 and I-385, ensuring a smooth commute to work, school, or fun activities nearby. Head over to Bridgeway Station to enjoy the brewery, along with various restaurants, shops, and more. Looking to get out for the day? Head to downtown Greenville for more shopping, dining, or catching a Greenville Drive game at Fluor Field. Finally, for the outdoor enthusiast, Conisty Nature Preserve is just 3 miles away. You can explore this 600-acre wildlife sanctuary by biking, birdwatching, and hiking the numerous trails and boardwalks that wind through diverse habitats. Can you picture yourself living at Layton Hall? Join the interest list so you'll be the first to receive exciting updates and put yourself at the front of the line when we open for sales. I can't wait to welcome you home.